Hi guys, Martin the Vlogger from MartinTheVlogger.com/shop here, and today we will talk in this short video about top case racks, aftermarket versus OEM from Can-Am. What are the good things, bad things, what things I like, what things I don't, and because I'm Martin the Vlogger, I'll tell you some top tips about weight, tiny bit of upgrade, and about bags and more bags. And this video is actually a bonus video to top 15 most essential upgrades for your RT20 Plus. If you haven't seen that video, it's popping up somewhere over here, or you can find it on MartinTheVlogger.com. And now guys, now enough of this bullshit, let's get started. Let's start with good things, bad things, and the things that they are shared, so they are the same and that they are different. First thing, both aftermarket or OEM will fit Can-Am RT20 Plus models and all F3 Limited models with top case. So it doesn't matter if it's in case of RT it's limited, or C2 Sky or basic model in case of the F3 Limited with the top case or special series. They both share the same location for mounting. Installation is very easy, let's say 5 minutes. It's almost dump proof because you have marks where to drill your holes, 4 holes, that's it, from underneath of the lid. So that's the same. What is the difference is weight. Is it important? Well, actually this one is lighter. It's not worse quality, it's just lighter. This one is heavier because it's more full and more somehow a thicker material. In terms of weight, is it a big thing? Well, in official manual it says you should load the top case with 10 to 20 pounds, which is highly hypothetically not even 10 kilograms, I believe. And I will get there because it's a very interesting topic. So highly hypothetically, this option gives you more maximum load capacity. Also, what it's different is this one, by look wise, out of 10 people, 7 most probably will tell you looks better. It's very individual, but for me as well, this one, no doubt, when it's a brand new, it looks better. However, have a look at those scratches. We are using OEM on all of our Can-Am Spyder F3 Limited special series because it comes automatically, and basically I didn't want to throw it away. And we have 3 of them in our tour and rental agency, tourson3.com, so in case you would like to ride Europe on 3 wheels, you know where to find us or me. On every single RT20 Plus that we have 4 of them already, we are using this aftermarket one. Why? Because of all of these scratches. Just 1 year of usage and the whole rack gets scratched because of the painting quality is not being super great. So is it really better looking after some time? Question. Also, big difference, it's price. This is, let's say, 300 euros, I believe. This is much less, and I'm just showing you the prices. Size always matters, right? So this one is much smaller, and one of the reasons I prefer to use this one, because it's much bigger, well, yeah, but also it allows you to carry bigger bag. The main difference is that with the smaller or bigger bag here, you do not have a lot of options where to hold your bungee nets, bungee cords, whatever. So it's quite difficult to have a wider bag that I like to use and actually hook it towards your top case rack. Where in this case, it has a lot of options to hook smaller bags, bigger bags, taller bags, whatever. It's just more practical. See, this is exactly what I don't like. When we are traveling, we are moving a lot from place to place. So almost every day you are putting the bag on. And when you have a wider bag, and I will get into this bag that you can actually extend it, you need to go with the hooks under here, under there, searching for it. And when the bag is full, it's really a struggle and nightmare. That's the reason I prefer the aftermarket top case rack. And also, very important info, all of the things that I'm talking here today about, you can buy on MartinTheVlogger.com/shop. You knew that was coming, right? So, the weight. I have received quite a few questions or comments that, and it's very good because it very proves that you guys are reading manuals. Good for ya. So, the weight and the topic is top case, and I was just, because I was really never bothered, I just Google it, that BRP says you should not put more than 20 pounds, which I believe is, let's say, 10 kilograms, not even that, of load into your top case. And that means also top capacity. That means when you have top case rack, you should actually decrease the maximum load capacity. How stupid is that? So what, oh, I mean, it's not stupid. BRP needs to protect themselves, right? What is the real life? What is the real experience? And here is also my top tip. We are traveling for beautiful adventure tours, and we are using this top case liner or inner bag. By the way, in case you want, you know that you can buy it on MartinTheVlogger.com/shop. But the thing is, BRP, and we have also that option. Who wants the official shed BRP bag? It's beautiful, but it's expensive. This one is much cheaper, and the quality is great, and it fits your top case just absolutely beautifully, just like this. There you go. You save money, plus it's a great quality. So we use the liner that it's heavily packed, and we use the top case that you will see in a moment that can be expanded, and it's heavily packed. And I will be not lying if I will tell you it's very easy, 40 pounds, 50 pounds. We are riding on MartinTheVlogger private roads, so sometimes let's say we go 180 kilometers an hour, which is what, like 110 miles per hour. We go on a bumpy road, so everything bounces and goes back and front. Never a single issue. I don't know how much else of the proof you need, but this is our experience for using it super often on different roads, different loads, different quality of the roads, bumpy, speedy, whatever. Never an issue. Another top tip. Have a look. You see this? It stands, of course. And how is this possible? Maybe you do it at home to your F3 Limited or RT20 Plus, and it just keeps falling down. Well, the problem is, of course, weak shock that you have there, and we have aftermarket top case shock that you can buy on MartinTheVlogger.com/shop, and it solves the issue. And it doesn't matter, the lid likes to close even if you have a top case rack with the top case with the top bag on it or not. We have even additional lights on it that adds additional value on the edge, so you know, physics, whatever, and still it stands like it should. So my top tip is, when you are buying top case rack, consider also buying top case shock, because no more nightmare of this constantly falling down, right? The last thing I would like to talk in today's video is a recommendation on a top case bag. I needed 4 or 5 years to finally find the one that it's for okay money, and the quality, it's absolutely badass. It looks great, and it has versatile opportunities, a lot of opportunities, doesn't it? So we call it a Pro Tail bag. You can buy it as a combo, as a bundle for better price on our shop. And what are the advantages? Recently I have here a guest that was Paul from Australia. He's an inventor, and he was looking at the bag and he said, damn, that's pretty good quality. Look at how the zippers are actually, you know, stick to the bag, the quality of it, the thinking that it goes actually under this top cover. The design and the ideas are really there. It's used, or the material, it's army nylon. The experience is when it's just drizzling, when it's tiny bit of rain, the bag, it's waterproof by itself. So you can put it here, put the bungees, you're good for the most of the lovely days you will be traveling. In case the sky is falling down on you, it has additional cover. I like to also use it when we are traveling roads, like there are crazy roads, so that's not all muddy and whatever. Now, what's beautiful about it? The beautiful thing is, especially when you are traveling two up, you know that ladies never have enough room, so you can expand it. And it gives you extra opportunity. And this is why I'm talking that the aftermarket rack is much better for me, because this size of the bag for this one, it's quite a nightmare to put bungees and secure it really properly. So I don't want to talk more, it's just dummy top case, but don't worry, you can load your Spyders and your top case of your Spyders pretty heavily. It's up to you which one you will choose, OEM or aftermarket one. And it's of course up to you if you will also order it with a Pro Tail bag on our shop or not. But that bag is one hell of a good quality, good looking, very versatile bag that you can buy. Guys, thank you very much for watching. In case you would like to ride Europe on 3 wheels, go to the tourson3.com, have a look on what type of adventure tours we have still open for 2025, or just simply fill out the form in the contact section. Buy one of these on MartinTheVlogger.com/shop, or not, it's your call. But remember, always have fun and be safe when riding.